Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Dr. Osman and today I'm going to talk about the artificial intelligence in tourism. Uh, I'm going to explore with you guys that how artificial intelligence is transforming the world of tourism. And the main objective and window of opportunity I am going to explore with you guys is basically to find out because this is an established area of business. So from two angles, we have to look through it. One is from the established and already settled business. We should explore the areas where we can enhance it with the today's need of involving and augmenting the new artificial intelligence and AI in the business and enhance its capabilities. And the other direction of looking through the entrepreneurial opportunities and business startups for the guys who are either part of the existing business or they are looking through from the lens of the tech development. So I will explore also and provide them the sense that how to build and find the opportunities in different areas of existing tourism sector to explore it for further development of the AI tools because the AI tools already we have doesn't address and are not tailored according to the situation of the current tourism sector. So we have to explore the areas and we have to tailor it from business to business because no one single AI tool is sufficient for every tourism sector and for every area and country, particularly when it ranges from one region to another. So this is the main objective, and we will explore that window of opportunity from two lenses: that how to find the and enhance and augment the existing businesses and explore it for further expansion or starting it as a new as a package business. And the other one is the finding the windows where we could develop and find the AI development for the new tech editions. So these are the two areas. So it is equally beneficial for like multiple entrepreneurs so they can find the multiple opportunities throughout this session. So I'm going to dive into a powerful conceptual framework models throughout this presentation, and some of the ideas has been packed through the SAI 2018s. So it will help me that how AI integrates all of the stakeholders and how it enable us to improve the safety and open up exciting new entrepreneurial possibilities in this fast growing sector of tourism. If you guys are in tourism, or in tech development, or in policy, or in innovation, so this session is particularly for you. And this is the area where we need a lot of augmentation and involvement of the artificial intelligence just because of the growing concerns in tourism and the need in this area. So let's get started. So before going to the augmented artificial intelligence in tourism or in smart tourism sector, uh, first understand the what is traditional tourism challenges. So traditionally tourism relied on disconnected system. Travelers used paper maps, booked hotels through basic websites, and dealt with different operators separately. Coordination between airlines, hotels, and local attractions is manual and very slow. So there is a lot of room for personalization or dynamic interaction, and particularly in emergencies where tourists had to figure things out on their own. And often the basic and the most often challenge is the language barrier and confusion when they are at the new places. So we have like these various sort of challenges in traditional tourism. Uh, about the evolution to smart tourism, which is the need of the day from the traditional tourism practices. So, as we see through the rise of ICTs and digital infrastructure, the tourism industry began shifting towards integrated digital experience, and the smart tourism concepts emerged. And it's not just about being online, but it's about being intelligent approach. So AI plays a key role in this concern, and it supports real-time interaction basically and predictive recommendations and coordination across all of the services we face in tourism. So from the moment you plan a trip to the moment you share it online, so AI can improve every part of your journey basically. So this is the ability where we can play with the data available with the tourisms, and we could link it with the different algorithms, different logics to enhance it and use it for further decision and support of the tourist through which we call it the AI, artificial intelligence. So smart tourism framework covers three layers of smart tourism from the SAI and HUSU framework. So one is the smart destination. So tourist ready infrastructure aligned with smart city services. So that's the area. And the other one is the smart business ecosystem. So across the ecosystem, you will see the hotels, transport, and service provider integrated into a digital network. Smart experience. Through smart experience, we can explore the personalized, tailored, customized AI enhanced traveler interaction. So across this whole framework, we have to basically integrate and understand the three uh, main components of this framework. One is the destination, convert the destination to a smart approach, understand the smart ecosystem, business ecosystem, and the other one is the experience of the tourist. And the experience and the feedback ultimately give you and enhance your predictive planning of the tourism. So supporting these uh, will help artificial intelligence cognitive functions, and through cognitive function it will enhance your engagement, it will enhance your automation and insight of the individual and tourist. Together they built actually when all these threes are combined, so they built a more seamless and intelligent tourism system for us. So whenever we are working towards the business of the tourism, so we have to integrate these as a foundation of the traditional business, and then augment it through the ICTs and IoTs, Internet of Things, and then on top of that, we have to integrate it with another layer of the artificial intelligence. And ultimately, it will give us a seamless and intelligent tourism system and a package where we can incorporate this and we can very quickly can flourish ourselves in the market as a tourist entrepreneur and tech entrepreneur for the tourism sector. So integrated AI with legacy system, you don't have to replace the existing system basically. AI can be layered on top to enhance the functionality. So you don't need to replace the existing system. What I mentioned earlier, that there are two dimensions of the business opportunities in tourism. One is the AI tech development and ICT tech development and smart functioning of the tourism. And the other one is the business as a package, just to hire and incorporate these tools in your business and which will give you an edge over the competitors. So these are the two. So basically, by using data from booking, customer support, the GPS and global positioning system and social media, AI can personalize your offerings It can automate the task like check-ins, and it can generate insights for service improvements. And on top of that, it will help traditional businesses stay competitive in the digital era. So all these are the various integration aspects of the artificial intelligence and the automation in tourism sector. So all these are basically what I'm presenting. These are the thought-provoking ideas, and these are the ideas where we, if you want, so we can jointly grow across the sector, and we can find the opportunities and can understand that what data is required and how to access that and how to develop the different packages for that and how to incorporate that. So it's like this whole exercise I'm going to take you along. It's a thought-provoking process and give you the insights that what are the possible areas you can grow your business, what are the possible tech possibilities. You could be an entrepreneur or a new tech developer for that area, for particularly in tourism, and either as a business, as a new business establisher, you can make it different from your competitors. So the tourism ecosystem includes many stakeholders. That includes hotels, airlines, tour operators, the local government, emergency responders, and travelers. So artificial intelligence can act as a central nervous system for them, connecting all these players in real time and make them enable to share the data, allowing seamless coordination from the airport to the hotel, tour desk to the emergency room. So these are the integration of possible integration. So think about that, how we can integrate and what each stakeholder uses, what sort of data, and how to incorporate these different data types into a single platform and convert it into a decisio environment. So in emergencies, the artificial intelligence, whether these emergencies are the natural disaster or health crisis, so it become a lifesaver for us. So it could be one in the can be used in seismic activity through Internet of Things sensors, and then it can notify the tourist in their own language and can suggest them the shelter routes via global positioning system. That's one area where you can develop your own AI applications for the tourism, and you can do that as a business and as an entrepreneur, and alert their hotel and embassies automatically through that notifications. AI ensures a coordinated real-time and multilingual safety net for the travelers. So building AI tools for safety, where we can make tools like traveler companions. So it could be one of the traveler companion, and every traveler can use these sort of tools on their phone and on their PC tablets, and they can get the benefit of offers for 24/7 emergency response support, and they can use it as a geofencing to trigger the alerts for them, keep them safe, and translate and forward messages to emergency contacts and embassies. So these applications of the artificial intelligence in these areas, if you have already or if you don't have, so you can build and make a tailor application for that. So it will enhance both tourist confidence and destination trustworthiness. So the entrepreneurial opportunities we can slightly I talk about, we can find two primary for entrepreneurs. One is the enhance existing tourism platforms. So partners with hotels, airlines, or local governments offers AI can offer the AI tool. Example of that are like smart chatbots, analytics dashboards, safety bots, or predictive scheduling modules. And the second primary path for the entrepreneur opportunities are the build new AI powered tourism startups. So in that, you can develop fully integrated platforms that combine booking, safety, itinerary, planning, and real-time engagement. Examples, for example, AI-driven solo travel guides, immersive language translating, augmented reality apps, ecotourism optimization platforms. So the market is ready for you. It's there. And you can think about the AI powered tour customization, AI concierge tools for hotels, sustainable tourism optimizers using real-time environmental data, the local experience curation via AI-based social listening. So these are not just tech solutions, they are new business models. So these solutions and these AI tech development can give you new business models globally. You could be like billionaire in that. That will redefine value creation in tourism. So AI applications could be in variety of tourism, particularly in the services. That could be chatbots for customer service, recommender systems for tour and dining, predictive analytics for stopping and demand, image recognition for auto tagging travel photos, voice assistant for real-time inquiries. So these are other areas where you can implement the AI applications for the tourism sector. And particularly with the rise of 5G and edge computing, these systems will only become faster and smarter for you. It will be just like I'm very enthusiastic and very optimistic about it, and I want to start anything like very quickly on this. So the main information to make it possible, what information you need, one is you have to get access to the booking histories. The second one is the social media sentiments to know the sentiments of the tourist, global positioning system movements and data access for that, emergency logs, and Internet of Things sensor data. Traditional system must be upgraded to support structured, secure, and interoperable data formats. So, like whatever existing system traditionally we have, like the computers, the web pages, and your forms. So you have to integrate those forms and convert that in the form of what information you need. And I'm demanding those information from you guys if you want to work in these areas. Strategically, smart tourism initiative must be planned with four key strategic pillars. You have to keep these strategic pillars if you want to develop either tech tools, applications, AI application for the smart tourism, or if you are solely building the tourist sector as a business startup for you yourself. So keep in mind these four pillars. One is the scope. So target pain points across the entire tourist journey. Pain points, either the bottlenecks, you can call it. The other one is the scale. Start small, never that big. Start with small, but ensure the system can grow. So start with small and ensure that you could grow that small steps to the big platform. Speed, AI must support real-time decision making. So the real-time decision making with like just with seconds, that should be your objective. The other one is the value. Focus on improving experience, revenue, and safety. So this is the things. And I would say that the government, developers, and businesses must align their strategies with these dimensions. If we want to make a more effective, smart tourism sector, which is aligned with the artificial intelligence and the future tourism, future tourism, so we have to keep in mind that the government should think about these pillars, the developers should think about these pillars, and businesses as well. So if everyone across the stakeholders are thinking on the same page for these four pillars, so no doubt that we will mm, like get mile ahead what we set for our objectives. Uh, as a summary, I would say that smart tourism bridge digital innovation with human experience. AI empowers the industry to personalize services, connect fragmented systems, respond intelligently to crises. It is not about replacing human touch, it's about enhancing it with intelligence, safety, and efficiency. My final call for you guys is, if you are a policymaker, so create open data infrastructure. If you are a businessman, so start by integrating simple AI tools. If you are an entrepreneur, so solve real problems like safety, translation, and coordination. So I'm going to leave it open for you guys. If you are a policymaker, you are either the existing and traditional businessman, or you are an entrepreneur and a new starter, either in tech or in business. So everyone has one uh, like area, start new initiatives and flourish yourself. So tourism is, I would say, is global, emotional, and data rich, the perfect ground for AI disruption and innovation. So this is the area. This is the most area where you can grow AI further, and it will create a lot of job in this sector. So thank you for being part of this session. If you have any questions, please leave a comment at the end of the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more sessions on AI and innovation. You can access me directly through my email. So for further correspondence, collaboration, either making these tools make it functional. So together, I would say, let us shape a safer, smarter future for tourism. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day. Thank you. Take care.